الصلاة خير من النوم الصلاة خير من النوم
Ali? Ali? As-salatu khairum minan nawm. Haven't you heard the adhan from masjid? Don't you know that it means prayer is better than sleep? So, wake up, dear son.
Okay, Ma. Sister, may I take wudu?
So, do you go to masjid without brushing your teeth?
Why brush teeth for prayer? Wudu is enough, right?
Ali, for prayer, taking ablution is enough. But before taking ablution, we must brush our teeth. That's what our Prophet taught us. So, dear son, brush your teeth first.
Assalamu alaikum, Father.
Wa alaikum assalam. Dear son, you're ready taking ablution, aren't you? Now we can go to masjid, right?
Father, Mother told that from today onwards I have to come with you to masjid every day. Why is it so?
Dear boy, you say yourself. What's special today?
It is... Yeah, today it's my 7th birthday.
That's it. So, how old are you now, my boy?
7 years old.
Okay. Do you know what our Prophet has said?
What is it?
All children who have reached 7 must start to pray. Understand?
Is it so? What will happen if we don't pray?
If we do not pray, we will not be true Muslims.
What is meant by the term Muslim?
Well, Muslim means the one who is obedient. That means one who leads life obeying Allah and His Messenger Muhammad, peace be upon him. Do you know, our Prophet Muhammad continued to remind us of the importance of prayer even on his deathbed. So, dear son, have you got how essential performing prayer is? Good. Then let's go.